Students, our next topic is cylinder. Now, what is cylinder? We will understand what is cylinder. So, in the book, it is written a solid, a pipe-shaped figure which has a uniform circular cross section is called cylinder. So now you can see here in the figure, one rectangle is given and two circles are attached to that rectangle is called a cylinder. Now it is having height, and because it is having circles, so it is also having radius and circumference. Now let the radius of the circular cross section is equals to r, and the height is taken as h. So area of cross section is pi r square, that is its circumference, and perimeter of the cross section is 2 pi r, that is the circumference, and the first one is the area. Now pi, which is given here, is taken this is constant whose value is 22/7 or 3.14. Now you can see some examples given in the book. Now next one is curved surface area. So curved surface area is perimeter into height, that is 2 pi r into h, and total surface area is curved surface area plus 2 times of area of the cross section, that is the total surface of the surface area of the figure, that is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So it will be 2. We will just take 2 pi r common and we will write in the bracket h plus r. Volume of the cylinder will be area of the cross section into height, that is pi r square into h, and you will take the value pi as 22/7. Now next you can see the question. One example is given. Curved surface area of cylinder is given as 17,600 centimeter square, and circumference of its base is given as 220 centimeter. You have to find the height and the volume. So in the question, the curved surface area is given, that is 2 pi r h. The value of 2 pi r h is given, and circumference is given, that is 2 pi r is given. So from here we have taken out height, which is 80 centimeter, and we have found radius from this value. So radius will be 35 from 2 pi r. Then you have to find the height. We have already found out the height, and the next is you have to find the volume. So volume is 2 pi r square h. So we will put the value pi r square h, and we will substitute the value of r and h. So value of r is 35 and value of h is 80. Then after we will find the value from here. Similarly, we can do these questions given in the exercises. You can see the first question. The height of the circular cylinder is 20 centimeter and the diameter of its base is 14. You have to find its volume and total surface area. Height is given and diameter of the base is given. So for diameter you have to find radius, which is half of the diameter, that is d/2, that is 7. So you can find the volume. Volume is pi r square h. So you will write pi, the value of pi is 22/7 into r is 7 into 7, and height is 20. So you will just calculate it, and then you have to find total surface area, which is 2 pi r h plus r. So you will put the value of pi and you will put the value of r, that is 7, plus height, that is 20, and put the value of r again and get the answer. In this way we will solve these questions. of this exercise. I will send you the questions of the exercise, and then after you can ask your doubts.